Unpacking surprise. I can't believe it. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that captures surprise, disbelief, or amazement. I can't believe it. This expression is widely used in both casual and formal contexts, and understanding it can add a nuanced layer to your English comprehension and expression. Let's explore together what this phrase means, when to use it, and some variations to express the same feeling in different ways. I can't believe it is a phrase that expresses a strong reaction to something unexpected or astonishing. It's used when something happens that is so surprising, it's hard for the person to accept as true at that moment. This could be good news, bad news, or simply something astounding. The phrase can convey a range of emotions, from excitement and joy to shock and disappointment. You can use this expression in various situations, such as receiving unexpected news, whether it's a friend telling you they're moving abroad or finding out you won a contest. Witnessing something extraordinary, like seeing an incredible performance or a rare natural phenomenon. Reacting to a sudden change, for instance, if a plan you've made gets cancelled out of the blue, or someone surprises you with a visit. Understanding the context is key because the same phrase can express happiness, sadness, or disbelief based on the situation and the speaker's tone of voice. English is rich with expressions, and there are several other ways to convey the same feeling of disbelief or astonishment. Here are a few. This is unbelievable, similar to I can't believe it, but might imply a stronger level of shock. No way, a more casual expression that denotes surprise or disbelief. You're kidding, or you're joking, used when you think the news or event is so surprising it might not be true. I'm speechless indicates that you're so surprised or shocked that you don't even know what to say. Understanding and using phrases like, I can't believe it, can help you express a wide range of emotions and reactions in English. It's all about the context and how you deliver the phrase. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use this expression effectively in your conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try incorporating these expressions into your daily English use. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.